I'll be showing you how to make this sling bag today. Using some yarn, a 3.5mm crochet hook, and a needle. Start with a slip knot. And chain 22 chains. Once you're done, yarn over, skip the first 2 chains, insert it into the third one and do a double crochet. Yarn over again and do 1 double crochet into each chain. Once you've come to your end, in your last chain alone, you'll be doing 4 double crochets. Now, do 1 double crochet into each chain in the other side. Once you come to your first chain again, you're going to do 3 double crochets into that chain. Now join with a slip stitch into your first chain. So this is your base. For your next row, chain 2, yarn over and do 1 double crochet into each chain. Once you've come to the end, join both the ends with a slip stitch. Chain 2, and you're going to continue doing 1 double crochet into each chain for the next 15 rows. You should have a total of 17 rows. So I'm done with 17 rows. Now for the last row alone, chain 1, yarn over, and I'm going to do 1 half double crochet into each chain. Now join both ends with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Cut your yarn a little long. We'll be using this to stitch your sling. Now for the sling, start with a slip knot. And make 200 to 250 chains. Yarn over, skip the first 2 chains, and into the third one do a double crochet. Yarn over and 1 double crochet into each chain. Once you've come to the end, you're going to do 4 double crochets in the last chain alone. Now again, continue doing 1 double crochet into each chain in the other side. Now in your last one, do 3 double crochets. And join both ends with a slip stitch. Cut your yarn long. You'll be using this to stitch your sling. So for this patch, I'll leave a link in the description below on how to make this flat circle. And now stitch your sling. Now ensure not to twist your sling and stitch the other end as well. So I finished stitching my patch and the sling, and you're done with your bag.